Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is actually that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, when there was nothing, that is defined as quantum fluctuations, the matter was created, or at least the basic elements were created. And in the second stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created, and that stage happened by the Big Bang. Okay, so we return to the first stage. In the first stage, that the basic elements were created, there was nothing in the universe, and nothing is defined as quantum fluctuations. And the quantum fluctuations is actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from that, those changes in the energy can create virtual particles, and from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from that real particles a matter can be created, or at least the basic elements can be created. And so that is the first stage in the creation of the universe. And then in the second stage of the creation of the universe, all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a small dense point. The density of that point was infinite, and from that reason it exploded, and all the elements and stars and galaxies were created in that explosion. That is called the Big Bang, or that is actually the Big Bang theory. And the answer to the second question, who created nothing, that is quantum fluctuations, is actually very simple. Nothing was never created because it always existed. Okay? So we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, that there was only nothing, that is quantum fluctuations. The matter or the small, the basic elements of the matter was created. And in the second stage, that was the Big Bang, all the elements, stars and galaxies were created, and nothing, that is quantum fluctuations, were never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.